What up, what up, what up? Back here again with another video on how to. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all guys how to make this swing pallet. So you can make your own swing pallet here. So I wanted to get a bigger one because I had some smaller ones and I wanted to kind of do bigger prints. But I went to look online to go and buy it, and them shits was like $70 a pop, and I'm like, oh. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna make my own, and I found how to do it online, and it's a fraction of the cost, and you can get way more pallets, and I have leftovers to make whatever other pallets that I want. But without further ado, let's go straight into the video, and I'll show you the process. So what you're gonna need some stuff right here. Now I got all my pieces already cut. All I gotta do is just take to the jigsaw and cut the actual sizes down. But this will be easy for me to put it in my car. So I just got it in now, stick it from the truck. So now what I'm gonna do is pretty much start drawing off the pallet and cutting them up with the jigsaw. And I had to buy at Home Depot. I gotta show you guys, but I bought a laminate blade, so it cuts for this actual material. These are the blades that I bought for the jigsaw. So I just know, so I can, like I said, to cut this wood so it's not like ugly on the sides and shit. I'm just sand down my sides. I got all 4 of my boards. Just gonna sand it down and I'm almost done with this project. Now you're gonna find your center point and measure half. So this is obviously 20 inches going across this way. So it obviously is 10. So mark the center point, and then I went down 4 inches. Marked it, and this is where it's gonna bracket. So almost done. So you can see it's a big upgrade. You can see a big difference right here. Size difference, so I'm gonna just remove this bracket and put it on that ladder. So I used the jigsaw to round off the corners. You don't want to keep them sharp because I had trouble taking off the shirt when it's on the pallet. So went back, took them to the jigsaw, cut, did a little round edge. All I did was take a regular can, grabbed a pencil, scorched it around to get my round edges. And yeah, so that's how you finish it. I'm gonna just finish doing the rest of these pallets. But as you can see, round off the corners. And it's sitting on the pallet now, easy. And that's how you have it, folks. That's how you make your own pallet. I'm gonna put the blueprints and the shopping list in the description below. And it'll link you to the website where you can download it for free. Don't worry about it. But if you do want to support me and my channel and help me grow, please, you can support by going to the store. You can shop some merch like what I'm wearing now, or you can always give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also help the channel grow. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and help a brother out grow on the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Jason So Smooth. Again, shop at the website if you want to support. It's at smoothcats401.com. And with that being said, I'm out.